Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bimaldeep Kaur. I have made project on Odisha, so I'm going to show you my project. Let's get started. Here is the cover page of the Odisha's project. First of all, I have taken table of content. First one is introduction part, second is acknowledgement, third one is festivals. Under festivals, I have taken two festivals. First one is Rath Yatra and second one is Durga Puja. Last but not the least is bibliography. So let us start with introduction part. Odisha is the state of India that is situated on the eastern coast of India. This state established on 1st April 1936 as the fifth state of India. Bhubaneswar is the capital and the largest city of Odisha. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Odisha. The Rath Yatra is an annual Hindu festival which originated in Puri in Odisha. The festival celebrated second day of dark fortnight, the lunar month of Ashada, usually in June-July. Second is acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, we can express our special thanks and gratitude to that person who gave us golden opportunity to make this project. So here I have given my gratitude to my English teacher, Miss Navneet Kaur, who gave me golden opportunity to make this project and explore my talent. Third one is festivals. As this is a project of Odisha, so I have chosen one aspect, that is festivals. In introduction, I have told you that I am taking two festivals. First one is Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra is a Hindu festival which is associated with the Lord Jagannath, held at Puri in Odisha, and is referred to as public procession that included chariots. It is believed that chariots bring individual happiness and prosperity and fills his life with the serenity, joy and peace. The Rath Yatra chariots inspired the British, who coined the term Juggernaut. Second festival is Durga Puja. It is the biggest festival and great social event in the state. Devotees keep fast for 9 days to seek the blessings of Goddess Durga. The city looks beautiful with the lighting and decoration. During the celebration, Durga Puja is also a festival in many other countries like US, China, Nepal, etc. During the celebration, feel the spirituality and celebrate occasion. Last one is bibliography. Here I have taken some sites and people that helped me to complete this project. Thank you and have a productive day. Thank you for watching my video. Give a big thumbs up to the video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon.